देखो यहाँ पर 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन ना।
हाँ 2017 में आया है।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 2017 आया वो क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है ना। फिर लिखा हुआ है ओपनिंग बैलेंस, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे हम लोग डेट कितना लिखा हुआ है 2024 अप्रैल 1. Opening balance is given here 2024 April 1. So we have to put here dash dash dash, similarly dash dash dash, but at the quantity we have to put down 1000 unit is there and the price per kilo is 9 rupees. Is that clear?
No, sir.
So the whole amount will be 9000. As far as the remark is concerned, we have to write here opening stock. Similarly, like we have done so far in the simple average, weighted average, simple average, LIFO, FIFO, we will maintain the same. Okay.
हाँ.
Now we are moving to the next is 3rd April 3rd. What has been done? Transaction is purchase. Purchase has been done. So we have to put down here purchase 1500 quantity. Unit rate is 10 rupees. So the amount will be 15,000. Am I right? 1500 worth of quantity has been bought and rate is at the rate rupees 10. So we have to multiply these two items and the product is 15,000. So here, yes. Now 1000 and 1500, the amount will be 2500. 1000 rupees quantity here and we have to add the receipt amount. Balance and quantity. Quantity and quantity will be added and the amount will be added. Is that clear?
Yes.
Look here. 1000 rupees, 1000, here is 1000, here is 1500. She is also class 11 student. Okay, don't try to dictate her. So here is 1000 and here is 1500. So amount will be 2500. Similarly, we have to add the amount 9000 and 15,000. How much? 24,000, right? 15 plus 9 equal to?
34.
No. 24. 15 plus 9 equal to?
24.
24,000. Okay. Now use a calculator. I know in examination it is not allowed, but right now you have to do it. 24,000 divided by 2,500. Tell me the amount. How can you manage it? Okay. 24,000 now divide it by 2,500.
9.6.
So 9 rupees 60 paisa is a rate right now. Okay. Moving to the next date, that is 6.
सर क्या किए?
We have added the quantity with quantity. 1000 was the earlier quantity that was on the April 1. We have to add it quantity with quantity. Quantity with quantity. So 1000 and 1500 equal to 2500. 2500. We have written in total. We have not separated these two items. We have to add those two items in a single part. Okay. Next is
200. 2000.
9,000 and 15,000. These two items will be again added. Amount will be added with amount and quantity will be added with quantity.
नहीं सर ये आप रेट कैसे
Rate,
निकाले?
just divide. Amount will be divided by quantity. Always divide the amount by quantity and we will get a new rate. Is that clear? I should repeat it. Look here. Always try to divide the amount with quantity, then we will get a new price, new rate. Okay. Now we are moving to the next date. That is 6th April 6th. Can you see it? April 6th, that is issue. So here dash 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 issue. Issue means here, right? How much we have to issue? 390 units. So 390 units. What will be the rate? The same rate will be there. Rate of issue would be rate of
9.6.
60. Rate will be always. It is not simple average method. It is weighted average method. This is your weighted average rate. This is called weighted average rate. Always whenever we have to, excuse me, whenever we have to issue, we have to issue with this earlier weighted average rate. So 9 rupees. Now multiply it. Multiply 390 into 9 rupees 60 paisa. Tell me how much amount is there. The amount is
744. 3,700.
okay. Fine. Look here, 3744. Okay. As of now, I have already told you that at the time of getting it, at the time of receipt, we have to add the quantity with quantity and amount with amount. When there is a transaction of receipt, transaction of purchase, you can say. Similarly here there is issue, so we have to subtract this amount from this. Issue quantity will be subtracted from quantity. So quantity, this is 390. 390 will be subtracted from 2500. Issue quantity will be subtracted from quantity, and the amount will be collected. Amount will be subtracted from this amount.
390 से ये माइनस होगा, उससे वो माइनस होगा, क्वांटिटी से क्वांटिटी और अमाउंट से amount.
Yes.
बस बात.
So 2500. Now subtract 390 from 2500.
माइनस 390. 2110.
So 2110.
10.
Right.
Yes sir.
2110
Quantity.
quantity. Next amount
Amount
37. Write down 2004.
24,000
minus
3744. 3744.
20,256.
20,256. Right.
Yes.
Now again divide this with this to get the new rate. To get the new rate. Write down 20,256. 20,256 divided by 2110.
9.60.
Same. Okay.
वो फिर सेम लेट आएगा. हाँ
नहीं,
आएगा तो आएगा.
आएगा नहीं, आ चुका है, आया है. That is, it is not compulsory the same rate will be there. Okay, so now again there is 8 tarikh sub. There is on the 8th of April there is a shortage. Shortage means issue. So here April 8, right? Shortage. Try to understand. If you find any problem, do ask me. Okay. Otherwise, when I will complete the question, you will get 5 minutes to ask any queries. I will solve your queries. Let me complete the question first of all. So here is shortage. How much shortage? 10 units. Just 10 units. So we have to add to 10 units. Rate will be same. That is 9 rupees 60 paisa. This is called weighted average rate. How to get weighted average rate? By dividing the amount with the amount of quantity. We have to get the weighted average rate, and that weighted average rate will be utilized as a rate of issue. That weighted average rate is considered as a rate of issue. This weighted it will be. Am I right?
Yes.
There is no confusion at all, I think.
No.
Okay, fine. So now we have to multiply this. So 96 rupees, I think. 96 rupees. Just simple 96 rupees. Again the same. We have to subtract this from this.
तो
Yes, 2100. We have to subtract the 10 units from this. Quantity will be subtracted from quantity, and amount will be subtracted from amount.
10 रुपया हटा के 2100 हो तो
So now write down
20,256
minus
96 20,160
then
भागा
we have
2100.
to now divide it.
भागा
2000
90
9 rupees 60 paisa. Okay. Now this 8 date is also completed. Okay. Now we are moving forward. I am explaining it quietly, I suppose. Next is April 10. Again issue. Again there is issue. So dash issue. Issue is 500 units, right? So we have to write to 500 units. Now same rate will be there, 9 rupees 60 paisa. Because
500 ना.
Radhika, there is 2100. We can easily subtract the amount of 500.
4,800
In our godown, please try to understand. In our godown, there are 2,100 kilogram of worth of goods. We can easily explode. We can easily issue 500 from 2,100. Yes. So what will be the amount?
4,800
4,800. Right. Now again, so we have to subtract this amount from this. So here is 1,900. No.
नहीं
16
1,600. So 1,600 is our quantity left after issuing 500 from 2,100. Left quantity we have as a balance is 1,600, as of amount is concerned, we have to subtract this 4,800 from this amount.
15,360.
15,360. Now divide this from this.
15,360 भागे
1,600.
9.6.
Same rate is there. Okay. Now we are coming to the April 15th, right?
Yes, sir.
April 15th. April, there is a purchase, right? So we have to write here purchase 200 units,
8.70.
8 rupees 70 paisa. Multiply it.
200 गुना 2 point नहीं 8 point
1740.
1740, right? So here we have to do what? What we have to do? We have to add this amount with this quantity with quantity. So 1600 plus 200, the amount of quantity will be 1800. Similarly, this and this will be added. Very easy. 15,360. Now add 1740.
Plus 1,000. 17,100.
17,100, right? Now divide this with this.
So my divide करो 1800.
9.50.
Look, the change. It has been changed, right? It is not very right. Everybody there same amount. 9 rupees 50 paisa. Okay.
यहाँ से वो
9 rupees 50 paisa. Now the last date.
18th.
Now the last date is April 18th, right? Issue. So what will be the amount of issue? The amount is 1,000. We can easily, we have in our godown there is 1,800 kilo worth of quantity of goods. We can easily subtract 1,000. Now what will the rate? Rate will be this. This is called, I repeat, this is called weighted average rate. So will be here, right? 9 rupees 50 paisa. So
9,500.
9,500. Now same thing. So say 1,000 will be subtracted from 1,800. We have a left amount of quantity 800, and now subtract 9,500 from 17,100
17,100.
minus 9,500.
minus 9,500.
What is the left amount?
600.
7,600, right? Now divide this to get the new weighted average rate.
9.5.
9 rupees 50 paisa. So here answer, value of the closing stock on 18/4/24 is 800, rate is 9 rupees 50 paisa, and the amount is 7,600. Okay, this is your answer.